Respected Chairperson, Principal Sir, Honorable Teachers, Parents and all my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Myself Masuma Javed
and myself Silamar wants to express our grief on this special day that we are going to celebrate. नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद। अभी तक पाँव से चिमटी है जंजीरें गुलामी की, अभी तक पाँव से चिमटी है जंजीरें गुलामी की, दिन आ जाता है आज़ादी का, आज़ादी नहीं आती। Today we all have gathered to celebrate a very special day. That is our 79th Independence Day. It's time to remember how our country India became free from the British rule. A long time ago, brave people worked really hard to give us the freedom we enjoy today. We should feel proud of our country and the freedom we have. But to make our country even better, we need to be honest and kind. If we see something wrong, we should try to fix it by helping each other and doing the right thing. We can make India a place where everyone is happy and safe.
Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and many more sacrificed their lives. Independence Day is not just a celebration, it is the reminder of our duty as a responsible citizens. We must respect our freedom and work together to build a better, stronger India. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on border to protect our country. Let us salute our soldiers who protect our country day and night. Let us promise to be honest, kind, hardworking and contribute to the progress of our great nation.
वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे है आसमां